Once upon a time, there were two friends, squirrel and tortoise. Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ àti ìjàpá, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ méjì. Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ ó jẹ́ olùkọ́. Mr. Squirrel is a teacher. Ìjàpá ó jẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Mr. Tortoise is a farmer. Okay? So, Mr. Tortoise had food in his farm. And Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́, being a teacher, they were on strike. Kò síṣẹ́ fún Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ torí pé wọ́n lọ fún ìjókòsílé ìséde iṣẹ́. He now begged his friend, Mr. Tortoise, to please help him with food. So Tortoise now said, I'm feeling sick, but can you go to the farm by yourself and take some food as much as you want? And he now said, that's nice of you. Ọ̀rẹ́ Tortoise ìjàpá ní ṣó lè lọ sóko fúnra ẹ kó lọ wá oúnjẹ tó bá wù ẹ́, kó mú anything tó bá wù ẹ́ ní oúnjẹ tó bá fẹ́. Ó ní o ṣé ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ìyẹn náà dáa. Unfortunately, Mr. Tortoise forgot to tell Mr. Squirrel that he has some traps in his farm. Ó gbàgbé láti sọ fún pé òun ní tàkúté lóko. So he now went. So when Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ took all the food he wanted, ẹ̀rùn, èsàn, èkùrọ́, palm kernel, palm frond, and everything from palm tree, and he was coming home, he stepped inside the trap. Bah! And the trap caught his leg. Choo! The takute held his leg very tightly. He shouted, "Yay! Oriyabio! Oriyabio! He cried, "My daddy, my mommy, help me, please help me, anybody, please help me, my leg. Because his friend, Mr. Tortoise, forgot to tell him about the trap. When other farmers in the farm heard his shout and his cry, in their own farm hut, they heard how he cried and shouted. They rushed out and they came. When they saw him, blood was gushing out. Blood. So he started crying and singing like this. His leg almost cut off. He started singing, "Being a teacher, Oyigbo ẹ̀rùn lọ, tàkúté mú lẹ́sẹ̀, orogun àkóbá, ẹ gbà mí o." What is the meaning of that song? He said, Mr. Teacher was hungry. He went in search of food. Palm kernel, palm fronds, palm fruit. Takute mulese. He entered into a trap. Orogun akoba, he has entered into trouble. When his friend heard about what happened, who is his friend? Ìjàpá, Mr. Tortoise, Alabahun. When he heard that his good friend, Mr. Squirrel Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́, has entered into his trap, he said, "Oh my God, Ọlọ́run mi o, I forgot to tell my friend, Mr. Squirrel, that I had a trap in my farm. Kai, kini mo ṣe o? What have I done?" He ran like a tortoise, as much as a tortoise could run. When he got there, good, the other farmers have helped Squirrel, has removed his leg from the trap and saved him. They have bandaged his leg, stopped the blood from gushing and flowing, and they are giving him treatment. Ìjàpá started begging him, "My friend, please forgive me. I forgot. I didn't want to come to the farm. I was tired. I was sick. That's why I asked you to go." Squirrel said, "It's okay. I understand. You have been a good friend. Just take me home." But thank God, Mr. Squirrel did not die. His leg did not go off. He did not lose his leg. And they became very good friends. What is the moral of the story? Kí ni ẹ̀kọ́ yìí kọ́ wa? To be good friends, to do good. Ká jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ dáadáa, ká máa ṣe dáadáa. To help other people, ká máa ṣoore. When we hear someone is in trouble, we should rescue them. Eh? Like the other farmers in the farm. But tó gbọ́ igbe ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́, wọ́n sáré wá, wọ́n wá ràn lọ́wọ́, wọ́n wá tú sílẹ̀, wọ́n wá